The KingTool wood planer is a top quality wood planer hand tool perfect for reducing rough wood thickness, and 6 3/8 inch long and 2 inch wide small size is perfect for some small delicate woodworking tasks. This block plane features a 1 5/8 inch wide hardened and tempered with 13.5 degrees steel cutter. Its cast iron body is accurately machined and polished for strength and durability, with dual anti-slip sides for better control. Contractor grade block plane, length 6 3/8 inch, width 2 inch, fully adjustable cutter rests at 20 degrees. Ideal for planing and grain and plastic materials. Secker chamfer plane can quickly eliminate edges, and can easily and quickly add other drill bits, thus making your work easier and more accurate. Easy to operate, easy to adjust, equipped with horizontal and vertical bubbles for easy observation and leveling. Comfortable to hold and easy to operate. Small, portable, and easy to operate, the heart is more intimate, planing smooth level. Suitable for trimming and chamfering all kinds of wood. The cutting depth can be adjusted according to the working requirements. 9 Pockets Workshop Apron. Your woodworking tools are easily available in this woodworking apron for men thanks to the 9 well-designed pockets. Free your hands and your creativity in the workshop. 100% waxed canvas apron with pockets is thick, sturdy and durable. Forget about stains, holes and getting wet while woodworking. You'll love wearing this one-size-fits-all wood shop apron with its comfortable shoulder pads, cross-back adjustable straps, and easy snap fit connection. Feel good, look good and stay protected. GrabberPRO is the ultimate adjustable push block. Ideal for use on table saws, router tables, joiners, and even band saws. Designed with control, precision, and safety in mind, the inward, downward, and forward pressure provides superior control all the way through the cut, keeping you and your fingers protected. GrabberPRO is a must-have for every woodworker, whether you're a DIYer or a pro. Helps reduce kickback by maintaining contact on both sides of the blade as you pass over your cut. 4 adjustable and interchangeable legs let you customize the GrabberPRO to suit your job. Includes 1 inch, half an inch, 1/4 of an inch and 1/8 of an inch legs. Cut clean, precise strip, as small as 1/8 of an inch thick. Handle design helps maintain maximum contact on workpiece to safely finish cuts and prevent binding or kickback. Adjustable heel can be cut through and lowered for more control. BenchLock makes it easy to have clamping power where you need it most. Create a versatile clamping station on your workbench, with tool-free installation. Simply, attach your bench clamp to the clamp base, insert the rod through the desired dog hole and tighten the locking knob, and you're ready to go. Convenient tool-free positioning makes it easy to install, remove, and change dog hole locations. Use on a workbench or any work surface that is 3/4 of an inch, 19 mm or 20 mm bench dog holes, or you can drill your own. Rotate BenchLock base 360 degrees, allowing for clamping pressure wherever you need it most. Base equipped with V-groove for optimal performance and adaptability. Use the pocket hole alignment accessory for perfect pocket hole assembly. The table saw miter gauge all aluminum guide rod and all aluminum baffle can be modified and expanded. Miter gauge cuts accurately. Loosen the knob to quickly adjust the angle, which can be used for precise angle cutting. The table saw miter gauge is easy to operate and safe to use. The miter gauge can adjust the angle adjustment knob according to the angle of the object to be cut. Table saw miter gauge can cut objects of different shapes and sizes. Perfect for wood cutting projects, can be used on table saws, bandsaws, router planers, lock stitch machines. If there is a product quality problem, any problem, we can replace it at any time in its slideshow. Chute limiter, uses premium aluminium alloy material, durable in use. Excellent workmanship, easy to install, bring convenience to carpentry work. The chute stop size is 85.5 x 48.3 45 mm and weight is 118 grams, easily put in your pocket. When using, just put it into the 30 type track, push it to the desired position where you want, and then adjust it to the fixed limiter. $795 high-power DC motor and dust cover, pure copper wire, front and rear bearings, quiet work, 360 watt strong power, durable. The motor cover is customized to prevent dust and reduce the impact of dust on the performance of the sander during work. The main wheel rib design avoids the belt deviation. The motor is separately provided at 12,000 revolutions per minute under 24 volts, and the load working rotation is still high-speed rotation at 0 to 4,800 revolutions per minute. Suitable for grinding high-speed steel, stainless steel, iron, soft metals, wood, plastics, etc. The driving wheel is made of aluminum alloy. The 3 auxiliary wheels are all made of NSK bearings, working quietly, and basically only the sound of belt rotation can be heard. Whether your job implies precision metal work, engineering, tool making, welding, deburring, jewelry making, or you enjoy various DIY arts and crafts or hobbies such as sculpting, Taita Tools Carbide burr is exactly what you need for premium results. This rotary tool bit is made with premium carbide tungsten steel, a highly durable material which is guaranteed to withstand the test of time. With a double cut tooth angle which prevents chipping, this tungsten carbide bit is superior to any high-speed tungsten carbide burr. Aligning your workshop machinery can be very frustrating. Sometimes a tape measure, ruler and a firm fist bump just won't cut it. If you desire to have your machinery working at optimal levels, then look no further than the A-Line IT Deluxe Machinery and Tool Alignment System. One of the most common machines that need to be aligned and maintained is our table saws. As we use them, the fence and saw blade amongst other parts tend to slightly shift over time. The A-Line IT Deluxe has all the necessary pieces to the puzzle to help you identify what needs to be addressed in order to get your table saw in tip-top shape again. You can easily identify saw blade straightness, fence run out, arbor run out, and flange run out.